Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shadashira. Today's session we are going to learn file uploading in the servlet. Means how to upload the file in the servlet, how to upload the files by using the servlet. Now, the file uploading is nothing but sending a copy of the file from a client system hard disk to a server system hard disk. Means here file uploading means we are sending a file from client side to server side. The file uploading is not possible to it's possible to store the files into the database, but it is not recommended to store the files into the database. Now in the files we can store it into the particular space in the server side. We can put it in the path into the DTB database. Now, file uploading is nothing but sending a copy of the file from client system hard disk to a server system hard disk. Serverless technology or a JSP technology has not provided by the built-in support for the file uploading. We need to use the third-party provided API for adding a file uploaded services to the servlets or a JSP API. Now here, the servlet and the JSP is these two is not directly provided for the file uploading. No, for the file uploading, we need to use the a third party vendor to upload the files into the one place to the other place. Means one place means client side to the server side. The best third party API used by the industry is a common file upload API provided by the Apache. Now here the best API is to use to upload our files is the common file upload API. It is provided by the Apache Software Foundation. In the HTTP page or a HTML form, we need to following the three changes to allow an end user to upload the file. If you want to write the program to upload the file, we need to do some changes in the HTML page or a JSP page, HTML page or a HTML form or JSP page. We need to do some changes. The first change is to select a file by the end user to upload it. A text box with the browse button is required. For this, we need to use input type is equal to file. Input type is equal to file. The second change is file upload feature is not supported by the HTTP get method. So we need to change method into the post. See here, the get method is not supported by the file uploading. We need to use the if you want to upload the file, you must and should use the post method. When uploading the file, we need to inform the HTTP protocol that doesn't apply any encryption on the file data. For that, we need to add encryption type is equal to multipart slash form data. Whenever we are sending data to the server, we need to the request is automatically doing into the encryption. For that, whenever in the file uploading, we don't need to encrypt the file. For that, we need to say that when uploading a file, we need to inform that HTTP protocol that doesn't apply any encryption on the file data. For this, we need to add encryption type is equal to multi part slash form data. A form design for a file uploading will be I can show how the form file uploading. For example, yeah, I am creating the form in the HTML page. Action is equal to upload SRV. This is the exact match URL pattern, and method is equal to it is a mandatory method is equal to post. Why? Because get is not supported. Encryption type ENCTYPE. We need to put encryption type, otherwise whenever we are submit button, it automatically goes into the encryption. If you don't want to do the encryption, we need to put it multi part slash form data. Now in this we need to put input type is equal to submit, value is equal to upload. Now I'm closing the form. This is the way to create the form for the file uploading. Now here the encryption types, there is a different value, there is a different attributes are available. See, I can tell you what are the different attributes are available in the encryption type. See here, this is the encryption type. This encryption type, there is a multiple values are available. Now here I am using multipart slash form data, and also there is a different there is a different attributes are available. I can show you what are the different attributes. The first attribute is we can put it enc typ. Encryption type is equal to application slash x www slash form slash url encoded url encoded. See here, if you are putting the attribute encryption type attribute value application slash x slash ww hyphen form hyphen url encoded. If you are putting this one, it is the default value. If you don't want to put the multi-part slash form data, the default value of encryption type is application slash x hyphen ww hyphen form hyphen url encoded. This is the default value. The spaces are converted to plus special character are converted into ASCII or hexadecimal values. See here, whenever we are putting in the application slash x hyphen ww dot form hyphen url encoded, the spaces are converted to plus special character. The spaces are converted to plus special the spaces are converted into the plus, and the special characters are converted into the ASCII or hexagon decimal values. Whenever we are putting the submit button, whatever the spaces space whatever the spaces in the those are converted into spaces are converted into plus, and special characters are converted into ASCII or hexadecimal values. This is the one attribute of the encryption type. The second attribute is multi slash encryption type is equal to multi-part slash form data. This one is used to, there is no conversions is apply, means in the previous one the spaces are converted into the plus, and special characters are converted into the ASCII or hexagonal decimal values. But if you are coming to the encryption type is equal to multi-part slash form data, no space, there is no conversions is apply. It is used for the file uploading. The third one is text slash plain. This is the third one. Here, the spaces are converted into the plus, and the special characters are not converted. And whenever you are coming into the here, this attribute, the spaces are converted into the pluses only. No other things are converted into the different things. See here, we need to put, this is the encryption type in whenever we are uploading the files, multi-part slash form data. And next, I am going to discuss about changes record required at the server side. We are using the Apache common files uploading API in the servlet, so we need to add the two jar files in the lib folder. See here, the servlets or JSP technology is not directly supported the file uploading. If you want to use the file uploading, we need to use the third party vendor. Is the in the industry the most commonly used the third party is Commons file upload API jar. This is the commons file uploaded jar is given by the Apache Software Foundation. Whenever we are creating the project, we need to put the commons file upload jar file in the library folder. Otherwise, it gives the compile time errors. Now, the commons file upload jar, it can be depend on some other one more jar that is called commons-io version.jar. See here, these are the two files, commons hyphen file upload hyphen version dot jar. Here version means any version. This commons hyphen file upload hyphen version dot jar, it is depend upon commons hyphen io hyphen version dot jar. Whenever we are creating our file uploading, we need to put it these two files, we need to put these two files into your library folder. In the servlet class, to read one by one file upload along with the request, we need to the object of servlet file upload class. This class depends on the disk file item factory class. So we need to create the object like the following. If you want, whenever now we are going to we are doing the file uploading. Now we are selecting the browse button. After selecting the browse button, now we can select the multiple files at a time. Whenever we are selecting the multiple files, we need to read one by one file. To read the one by one file, there is a one class is there to read that one. That class is the disk file item factory. Now disk file item fact disk file item factory. Now the disk file item factory, now I'm fact factory is equal to new disk file item factory. After creating the disk file item factory, we need to create a servlet upload class object by calling the by giving this um, disk file item factory object. Servlet file upload is equal to new servlet file upload. It takes the factory object. It is a parameterized constructor. This parameterized constructor, it takes the factory object. After that, parse the request and read the content of the request. To do this we call the parse request method of a servlet file upload class. Now if you want to read that if you want to read that one, we need to create that we need to parse that by using the parse request method. The parse request method, it gives the whatever you are given in the whatever you are selected files, that file path it is given by the servlet file upload method. Now I'm giving file upload this upload dot parse request method. Now the parse request method reads each parameter of the request and creates a file item class object for each parameter and returns a list with a group of file item objects. Whenever we are calling the parse request method, it takes the request object, it takes the Request object, whenever in the servlet service method there is a request and response objects are available. The parse request method, it takes the request object and it returns the list of file items. List of file items. File items means whatever we are given, means whatever you are selecting the files, it gives the list of file items. After that, iterate the list of read each and file object, and if it is representing a file, then write it into the file object. These are the way to use to upload your file into your server side. Now first we need to create a form in the HTML page. We need to put encryption type is equal to encryption type multi-part slash form data. Multi-part slash form data means it doesn't do any encryptions. If you are putting any encryption type like application slash x hyphen www hyphen form dot url encoded, or if you are putting text slash plain, the it can be encrypted in the application slash x hyphen www dot hyphen form dot url encoded. All spaces are converted into the plus symbols, and all special characters are converted into the ASCII and hexadecimal values. If you are putting the text slash plain, all the spaces are converted into the plus symbols. Now if you want to write your if you want to implement the file uploading in a servlet, the servlet and JSP technology it doesn't direct support. We need to use the third party vendor libraries. Those are common file upload hyphen version.jar. It is the mostly used in the IT, mostly used in the industry. The These commons hyphen file upload hyphen version.jar is depend upon the some other jar, that is the commons IO. Here now the commons hyphen file upload dot jar, it gives a there is a it gives the it is the one API. In this API there is a one class is available, that is the disk file item factory. The disk file item factory, after creating that, we need to create an object of servlet file upload. The servlet file upload, it takes a disk file item factory object. We can give that in a servlet file upload constructor, parameterized constructor. After that, getting the servlet file upload, we can call the method parse request method. It returns the file items list. After getting the file items list, iterate the list and read each file item object, and if it is representing a file, then write into the file object. Now I can explain here. I can explain the with example how it is going. See here, I'm created a small dynamic web application in the Eclipse. Already I'm discussed in the earlier uh, videos. For that, if you don't know how about the Eclipse, just go to the Eclipse tutorial in the Southern Learning Hub. There is a I can give you a clear picture in for the Eclipse. Now I'm if you want to create a dynamic project, click on the file, click on the new, create a dynamic web project. Dynamic web project. In this dynamic web project, you can select the give the project name and select the version is 2.5 and click on the finish. Automatically it creates the project. After, see here, now I'm created the one sample project. I'm created the one servlet, and also I'm created the a sample HTML page. This is the my sample HTML page. I'm configured in a web.xml file, my servlet, and I'm put it into the library in the commons file uploaded hyphen 1.1.1 dot jar and the commons io hyphen 1.1 dot jar. See here, now I'm tell you explain upload.html. In this upload.html, I'm created a form. This is the my form. In the form I am giving a action upload SRV. This is an exact match URL pattern. After that, it doesn't support the get method. By default the method is get. Now I'm change it into the post. The file uploading is not supported the get method. After that I'm giving the encryption type multi-part slash form data. Means it doesn't do any encryption on the file. That's why I'm giving the multi-part slash form data. Now I'm giving the input type is equal to file, and the name is equal to file, and it takes the size 50, and I'm giving the input type is equal to submit, and value is equal to file upload. Now I'm coming to the upload servlet. In this upload servlet, I'm extending from the HTTP servlet. Clearly, I'm mentioning file final int maximum size. I'm restricted to the maximum size of the file. After that, I'm creating a file object. Now I'm overriding the do post method. Why? Because everything I'm writing or calling the post method. That's why I'm overriding the do post method. If you're calling the do get method, we can override the do get method. In the do get method, simply I call the do post method. Nothing is there. Now I'm creating response dot set content type is equal to text slash HTML. Means I'm displaying in the HTML format only whatever I'm getting the response. After that, I'm creating a print writer object to write the output into the browser. Now I'm creating the disk file item factory is equal to new disk file item factory. After that, I'm creating a new file upload handler that is called servlet file upload is equal to new servlet file upload. It takes the factory object. It is the parameterized constructor. It takes the factory object. Now I am setting upload dot set maximum size. Whenever we are selecting the more than this maximum size, it throws the exception. Why? Because I am only setting the maximum size. I am restricting the to upload the file size with a particular size. See here, I am restricting 1024 into 50. Multiply this one. I am restricting to the that much only. Whenever we are exceeding this size, it gives to the exception. Next, I'm creating try and catch block to handling the exceptions. After that, I'm creating the parsing the request by calling the parse request method. It is bounded with the upload object. See here, upload dot parse request method. Parse request method, it takes the request object of your HTTP servlet request object. Now I am giving the request object. It returns the list of file items. Now I am do processing the uploaded file items. Item I is equal to file items dot iterator. I am iterating and each and everything. I dot next. I'm getting the list file item fi is equal to I dot next. After that is form field. I'm checking fi dot is form field. If it is a file, I'm checking is it file or not. If it is a file, I can write create a new file and I can upload it into the server side. Whatever you want in directory, I am put it into the there. Now that what I'm checking it is it file or not. That's why I'm checking. Now, if it is a file, I am getting the file name of that particular uploaded file. I am getting the file name. I am creating a new file where you want. Now, I am uploaded into the in my file system only e colon double slash uploaded files folder with the file name. Whatever you are uploading the file name, I am same name I am uploading into the my e colon uploaded files. After that, fi dot write file. Now whenever it is completed, I'm giving a just statement uploaded the file name. This is the way to create a uh, servlet with the file uploading. After that, I'm going to the web.xml. In the web.xml, I'm configured everything. I'm creating the servlet tag with the file upload servlet. See here in the form, I'm giving the form action is upload SRV. Whenever we are submitting the upload SRV, it comes into the web.xml descriptor and check with any URL pattern with update upload SRV. If it is available, check with the servlet name into the servlet tag. If there any servlet tag with the servlet name with uploaded servlet, if it is available, it can be go into the that particular servlet and execute the post method, means do post method. It after completion of the do post method, it returns the response from there. Now see here, this is the welcome file list. If it is an index.html, no need to put the welcome file list, but my file name is uploaded.html. That's why I am putting the welcome file list. Whenever you are run this application, automatically the startup page is uploaded.html. Now finally I am uploading my whatever uploading my files. I am storing it into the uploaded files. I can show you e drive. This is my e drive. See here, this is my e drive. In this e drive I am putting uploaded files. See here, nothing files is available. There is no files is available in this folder. Now I am running my demo. Right click, run as, run on server, next, finish. I'm clicking on the finish. Now the Tomcat is going to start. My Tomcat is started. See here, my uploaded.html is open. See here, file upload, select file to upload. Now I'm going to click on the browse button. I am selecting the desktop. I'm selecting the desktop. I'm selecting servlet.txt. I'm opening the files. See here, the file location is c:/users slash sada slash desktop slash servlet.txt. But I'm uploaded into the e:/uploaded files directory. Now I'm clicking on the upload. See here, uploaded file name is servlet.txt. Now the file is uploaded successfully. I'm going to test the really the file is uploaded into the E drive or not. See here, uploaded files. It is uploaded successfully. If you want to clear, I'm going to the uploaded files. Previously there is no files are available. Now servlet.txt is uploaded into the drive. If you want to put it any other location, we can just put it whatever your location you want. Now I can try to upload the two files, that is called servlet.txt, and also I can upload small thing, for example e dot. I can upload this one and this one. Now open. Now it is asking browse. I'm selecting servlet.txt. I'm clicking on the file. Now the file is uploaded. I'm checking. See here, previously I'm deleted the file. Now it's going to here only. This is the way to upload your file into your whatever place you want to do to upload your file.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.